Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I literally got this question so many times in my last video. And the question is, if there is a God, how do you know that your God is the right God out of the thousands of gods out there? Now, although this is a very good question, it also has a very easy answer. If we can both agree that by nature and by definition God is all-powerful, independent, free of need of everything, eternal, then we can both agree that there cannot be many gods or mini-gods or associate gods or partner gods or any gods that share in the power of each other. Because if you had two all-powerful beings, then by nature they're going to try and overpower each other, meaning there would be chaos. But since we wake up every day and the sky is always blue and gravity is always the same and the laws of physics are consistent, this all indicates that there is only one God. Similarly, if God A makes a decision, right, all the other gods now have to submit to that decision, meaning these gods become dependent. But since God by nature is independent, this is a contradiction, therefore there can only logically be one God. Now the next question is, can God be a man? Can he be an animal? Can he be a star? Can he be anything in creation? And the answer is no, because, for example, a man depends on things like food, water, sleep. The man eventually will die, will perish. Similar with stars, with animals, everything will eventually perish. And these properties are all contradictory to the very nature of God. Now, what I've done here is I've gone through a process of elimination with these thousands of gods that you mentioned, and we've now landed at two religions out there, and that is Judaism and Islam. Now, when you look at Judaism, you see that it's a very ethnic religion. It's a religion for the chosen people, the Jews. It's not for everyone. But in Islam, Allah tells us in the Quran that the Quran is a guidance for all humanity. It's for everyone. It's a complete guide and instruction manual for everyone in the world, right? And this is why wherever you go in the world, Islam is the fastest growing world religion, and there's always a Muslim community out there. Now, if you're interested as to how we can prove or how we can show that Islam is indeed the objective truth sent by the one and only God, then I have a video on YouTube called Why Islam is the Truth. Click on my TikTok bio, the YouTube link, and